Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using Ivacy VPN. In this in-depth Ivacy VPN review, we'll explore my experience using this service. Ivacy VPN offers a reliable and secure solution for users looking for a sweet spot between speed, privacy, and user-friendliness. Employing robust AES-256 encryption, Ivacy ensures your online activities are kept private, even on public Wi-Fi networks. Their strict no-logs policy provides added peace of mind, guaranteeing your browsing history isn't tracked or stored. A particularly impressive feature is split tunneling, allowing you to route specific apps or websites through the VPN while others connect directly to the internet. This is invaluable for accessing region-locked content while maintaining local connections for activities like online banking or gaming. Furthermore, Ivacy supports P2P file sharing, making it an excellent option for torrenting. With a network of over 3,500 servers spanning more than 100 locations, users have ample choices for masking their IP address and bypassing geo-restrictions. Ivacy VPN is designed for users who prioritize simplicity without compromising on performance. The app's intuitive interface makes it easy for beginners to navigate, while still offering advanced features for more experienced users. Compatibility is excellent across various platforms, including Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and even Reuters. For those who enjoy streaming, Ivacy's ability to bypass geo-blocks on platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer is a significant advantage. While speeds are generally consistent, performance can sometimes fluctuate depending on the chosen server and its location. However, overall, Ivacy achieves a commendable balance between privacy and speed. To summarize, Ivacy VPN is a superb choice for anyone seeking a budget-friendly and hassle-free VPN solution that doesn't skimp on privacy, security, or access to content. Be sure to check the links in the description for further information.